Welcome back. It's time once again to Ask the Attorney. We're joined by Gilbert Adams here to help you sort through your legal options. Thanks for being here with us.
Sure, thanks.
We'll get to our first question. What is the time limit on suing a police department over a wrongful arrest?
Well, the general rule in Texas is that the law enforcement has immunity to do their jobs. So only in the event could one prove that law enforcement maliciously or willfully arrested you when they knew they shouldn't have, then you might be able to bring a lawsuit. Otherwise, the city is going to have immunity. We do require that for law enforcement to arrest you that they have probable cause. So that's the check for our citizens. Now, with respect to the private place, such as a store, there is a cause of action for what we call false imprisonment. If you were stopped or detained at a store without any reason to be, then you could sue that private owner for putting you in a false imprisonment is what we call it, and the statute of limitations is 1 year.
All right, next question. If I lost a copy of a legal will, where can I go to find another copy so it can be probated?
Well, there's not a general depository for wills, unfortunately, so I would just ask friends and relatives of your dad. Otherwise, the will may have to, the estate may have to be probated in what we call intestate, meaning without a will, and the law provides for the separate property and the community property to go this way or that way depending upon children and different factors. So you're not out of luck if you can't find the will.
All right, and our last question. When dealing with divorce and custody, what age in the state of Texas does the child have to decide on which parent they want to live with?
You know, this is a great question. There's a lot of confusion about this. The test in Texas for who the child is going to live with is what is in the best interest of the children. Now, at the age of 12, the child has a right to go and talk to the judge, what we call in camera, in the judge's office, and for the judge to get a feel for what the child wants to do. But even then, even a 12 or 13-year-old child or older, that wish isn't going to be absolute. So it's up to the judge.
All right, and of course, we are answering your legal questions every Wednesday. You can submit those questions on our Facebook page at fox4facebook.com, and also the information for the Ask the Attorney link on our website, fox4beaumont.com, is there on your screen as well. And stay with us. We're back in a moment.